Mafi Vokpoe ene ne mpotemo o Central Town Mensimo our voter region na abeto dwase nsuo ho aye den papa ho aye den de e wo fom nsuo de no kra fom de no a wo musanom no nso peno so sade no ho gi mu no aye bibia wo ho e wo makosam woni Adom TV Kasee edin komoy
Sisi omafo a wote Mafi Vokpoe agove ene nkura wodo a ekeka ho ekamia yese ensupa de enyade a wobenya bi anom ochemu se wafa akwa wodo so etutu fom se be ya wono makasa ebenya nsuo ede afri asase ase na nso enkosi aga esutade bi eda ho na womo esensuo ewo mu a akoyo haw ede ama womo na omafo a wompese wobesasa ensuo yi a wosuse eyefin woko adidome etwa kwantentene ekokosesa ensuo Adom Kasee amani boni Christian awudi eni assemblyman awo agove Daniel ametefe etwetwen enkomo no kire hawo womo efemu.
So they find it difficult to get water to drink. Now they took it upon themselves to excavate the various ponds that are around them, that when it rains, some water can be collected in them for them to use. That's what you are seeing right now.
And wachi ena gifted of ya wono so ete kronumu editu dwase e ma ne pa ne bre esanse edrubre se ya wo mu ena epensuo pa ede aye aduane ahwe won fie
anyata pa ni valeki mi wona voting seto mi don sanu gakana voto we do ni ana mo kaka kofu kaka fa se mi ofu papo nke ko mi valeki echi mana intana be suku yele nyeselege ha de jo kaka do fio la suku ela bi na ikuchile kaka kaka ko ka kofe kaka na ko onka no ba suku yi ko manya teteleji asomi onya ngare do ha mi ba chi
wanu si yepe ena Cornelius afemeku ya wono so eye bedwaba eka bi to aso.
We don't have health facilities in the community, so we have to travel down to Vokpoe to access health care there. So if they can also help us with everything of that stuff, I think it will help us.
Adom Kasee amani boni bomodia commence ni krachi yo wo Central Town Thomas Moore enim ene no kwetwetwe enkomo wodi tu dwase de ekoso woni nyina no mpanimfu ahu otu hu na mo sebe ye a obeso hawo no ano.
We have close to 500 villages and towns in Central Town. About over 350 communities have water, potable water, of course. We are tackling or solving this water problem in the district in phases. And then we are about, or we have actually completed the third phase. We are about starting the fourth phase by mid this year.
Yeah, because I'm a Christian, I would